A highway bike is not just a motorcycle. It is freedom forged in metal, speed controlled by engineering, and power refined to perfection, designed to dominate long roads, built to stay stable at extreme speeds, and engineered to ride for hours without fatigue. But have you ever asked yourself one simple question? How is a highway bike actually made? Behind every roaring engine and every smooth, high-speed corner is a factory where raw metal is transformed into a road-eating machine. And today we take you inside the complete factory manufacturing process of a highway bike, because every highway bike begins its life not on the road, but on a computer screen, where engineers and designers work together using advanced CAD software to design the frame, engine, aerodynamics, and riding posture, ensuring high-speed stability, rider comfort over long distances, powerful yet smooth acceleration, and perfect weight balance. With wind tunnel simulations testing airflow and drag, even calculating the angle of the handlebars and the shape of the fuel tank down to millimeters. And only after hundreds of virtual tests does the design move to production, where raw material selection becomes critical, because a highway bike must survive heat, vibration, speed, and long hours of riding, which is why factories use high-grade steel, aluminum alloys, magnesium components, and carbon fiber for premium models, with each batch of metal tested for strength, flexibility, and fatigue resistance before entering the factory line. Then comes frame manufacturing, where the frame acts as the backbone of the bike and must be strong, lightweight, and perfectly balanced, as robotic laser cutters shape steel or aluminum sheets with extreme precision, and robotic TIG welding arms join the parts with computer-controlled, temperature-monitored, and X-ray inspected welds, followed by heat treatment to increase strength and remove internal stress, a process that can take several hours for a single frame, after which the heart of the beast is created during engine block casting, where molten aluminum heated to over 700 degrees Celsius is poured into molds, cooled, and sent for CNC machining that carves cylinder bores, oil channels, and cooling passages with tolerances so tight that even a human hair would be too thick. And once machining is complete, the engine blocks are washed, dried, and laser inspected before moving to engine assembly, where skilled technicians install pistons, crankshafts, connecting rods, camshafts, and valves, tightening every bolt with digital torque tools, fitting oil pumps, cooling systems, and gearboxes, and cold testing each engine for rotation and vibration without fuel or fire, achieving pure mechanical perfection. Followed by suspension and braking systems, where front forks with precision-polished tubes and hydraulic damping are assembled alongside rear monoshocks, calibrated for comfort, stability, and load handling, while powerful braking systems with large disc rotors, multi-piston calipers, and ABS sensors are tested under extreme pressure, because at highway speeds, brakes are lifesavers. Then fuel systems and exhausts are manufactured, as fuel tanks are stamped from steel or aluminum, welded, pressure-tested, and anti-corrosion coated. Fuel injection systems are programmed through ECU maps for smooth power delivery, and exhaust systems are carefully designed and tuned to balance torque, fuel efficiency, engine cooling, sound, and emissions. After which, electrical and electronic systems are installed, because modern highway bikes are rolling computers with wiring harnesses routed carefully to avoid heat and vibration damage, ECUs, traction control, ABS, ride modes, and digital instrument clusters fitted, and every sensor tested individually, since a single loose wire can shut down an entire bike. Then comes painting and body panels, where frames and panels enter dust-free paint booths for primer coating, base color, graphics, and clear protective coats applied by robotic arms to ensure even thickness before baking in ovens for durability and shine. Followed by final assembly, where the engine is mounted into the frame, suspension, wheels, brakes, fuel tank, body panels, seats, Mirrors, lights, and handlebars are installed, and laser alignment systems ensure perfect balance, transforming a machine into a true motorcycle. Before entering test